So we've just made the basic skirt. It's quite a very easy one. So first thing I'm going to do is just to come and draw lines. This skirt, like I said, is an easy skirt, okay? Draw lines up like that and draw another line. Up like this, and I'm going to draw another line up like so. Now, this is what we're going to do, is to cut up our waistband. Move it. This is our waistband. We're going to cut it up and keep this aside. Then we're going to go ahead now and cut this up. Before I go ahead and cut it, let me level them up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Come here. Now we're going to move this aside, bring our white, right, let me put it out this way, it's much longer this way. So you want to quickly just go ahead and draw a straight line. That straight line is going to be your guide. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw my straight line like this. It's my straight lines, okay? So I'm going to bring one. Number 1, I will bring it up here and just pin it up here like that. I will glue it, use my paper gum to glue it with it like this. So use it up. Right, I'm going to just place it from that line that I mark, making sure it touches the line. Now I'm gonna make sure that from here, this part we're going to be, you can mark 4 inch, you can do 3 inch. So I'm going to be doing 3 inch, right? I will mark my 3 inch, then I'll just come here and from the center I'm going to mark the center line. I'll bring number 2 right there. It's going to be right at that 3 inch. So my number 2 like this, just glue that up and I'm gonna pin it where that mark is like this. You see that, right? I'm gonna check something. Let me check like this. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead now and mark again another 3 inch. You can do 4 inch depending on how big you want your box plate to be. So you can either just go ahead and mark that 3 inch and you do a straight line like this, straight downward, whichever way you prefer. So I'm just going to mark the center of this point like this, which is 1.5 inch. And I'm going to get number 3 right there. We're going to be pinning it up here. So I'll just come like that, you see, like this, and bring it up here on that line. And I'm going to bring the other one as well, the last one, to make sure to mark my 3 inch from here. Mark that 3 inch. I'm going to mark the center of that 3 inch. I will roll this line up straight downward for it to be easier for me to work on. All right, we'll come here, bring number 4, which is this part. It's good for you to level them up, because if you don't level them up, you will not know which one is supposed to go to the bottom. Okay, so I'll go and come here like this in place, making sure it matches up that line. So we are going to go ahead and just roll some straight lines right there. The center line that we did mark, we'll come here and also do the same thing. Center line. Remember, here we have a 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch. So that's just what we get right there. Now you can easily go ahead and just connect this part straight, because it's supposed to be straight, right? I'm just going to go ahead and just bring it up, cut it up like that. I'm going to bring this up like that. You can see what I'm doing here, right? Fold this up like this, bring it up here. Can you see that? I love this. I can bring this other part, fold it up to meet up those center line that will just bring it up like that. Can you see? So I'm just going to have to glue it right there at the center. This center line, everything should be glued. So I'm just going to bring this part, bring it up, matches up, and this other part glue. Right? And I'm going to do the same thing here. The center line should be glued. Alright, like that. I'm going to bring this part up like this and glue it up to the center line. And also bring this other part and glue it up to the center line. Can you see? Now our skirt is giving, right? I hope you all are loving it. You are loving it. You should really be loving it. So I'm going to bring this other part and bring it up to meet the center line right there. And then bring this other part up to meet up our center line and move it up right there at the center. So we have something like this. I'm just going to go ahead now and trim off the excess that I don't need right there. You see what I have there? Remember, the rest is our allowance. So we have something like this, and we come here with our waistband, which is, so we come here with, no, like this. We come here with our waistband. So I hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to always follow me. You people should be following me. I'm teaching you a lot.